Come along with us as Bill transforms this vintage wedding dress. A follower sent us this amazing 1960s gown, but as you can see, it needs a little work. This gown is heavily oxidized, and restoring it is going to take a little bit of time. The buttons were removed prior to us receiving the dress, but the damage left behind is still there. So first, we need to deal with the rust stains. Bill applies Rusco and lets it sit for a moment before flushing it with our steam gun. Then he applies Alpro to neutralize it before flushing it again. And then he repeats the same process on the rest of the stains. Now, it's time for a sodium perborate bath. But first, Bill does a pre-soak with protective, which helps to ensure the safety of the fabric during the cleaning process. And now, it's time for the magic to begin. The dress is left to soak overnight, and the next day will literally blow your mind. Just look at the difference. I truly wouldn't have believed that this was the same dress if I hadn't seen it for myself. But now, it's time to be wet cleaned on the hand wash cycle before being hung to dry overnight. The difference is astonishing. And now, we can finally move on to the next step: pressing. Now that he's finished, it's time for the before and afters, which is still hard to believe. This dress truly blew my mind. The difference is night and day, and the transformation left me speechless. Now, it's time to package it up and send it back home. Transformations like this don't happen every day, and it truly is an honor to be able to bring back to life such a precious memory. It's incredible to see how a little care and a lot of patience can bring a piece of history back to life over 60 years later.